The emphasis should be on technique at this age. Those were the words of veteran coach David Riley at the just concluded in sports primary schools national championships at the National Stadium. Riley, who was the meet director, says learning the basics of the sport should be the most important thing at the primary school level.
Focus really should be on the exposure of the athletes to the various events and for them to grasp the skills that are necessary. Skills are necessary for sprinting. Sprinting is actually a very technical event. Seeing them taking on the 800, loving it, learning how to throw, how to jump. It's really just the skills and them engaging in the various things, not specializing in one event, but being open to try various events and grow in the sport. That's what we really want to see.
Riley adds that the win at all costs approach by coaches at times is a wrong one.
As long as there's no emphasis on the performance of the athlete, that's what we'd like to see. Just really having them get exposed, getting the experience of competing in the national stadium, this big track, and just learning how to be cordial in terms of their competitors and just enjoying themselves. I mean, it's supposed to be fun for these kids, and hopefully there's not too much emphasis on winning, but emphasis on really being exposed and learning and growing.
And with the athletes competing rigorously over 3 days at the just concluded championships, we asked Coach Riley if that was too difficult for the youngsters.
It's tough for 3 days, but there's not that many events. So there's hardly hope, it's going to be difficult to spread it. So I'm not sure how that's going to be solved.